Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make peanut butter salad dressing. This versatile dressing is incredibly easy to prepare and adds a delicious, nutty flavor to any meal. First, gather your core ingredients: creamy peanut butter, soy sauce, rice vinegar, and a touch of honey or maple syrup. These form the foundation of our rich and savory dressing. We'll also need a little water to thin it out to the perfect consistency. Let's get started. Now let's mix everything together. In a medium bowl, combine your peanut butter, soy sauce, rice vinegar, and sweetener. Whisk these ingredients thoroughly until they are completely smooth and well incorporated. This initial blend will be quite thick. Next, slowly add water 1 tablespoon at a time, whisking continuously until your dressing reaches a pourable, yet still creamy consistency. Don't rush this step. It's key to a perfect dressing. Once your dressing is perfectly mixed, it's ready to elevate your meals. This peanut butter dressing is fantastic on a simple green salad, but don't stop there. Try it over a vibrant noodle bowl, roasted vegetables, or as a marinade for chicken or tofu. It adds a delightful richness to almost anything. If you have any leftovers, simply store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh and delicious for up to 5 days. Want to make this dressing uniquely yours? There are so many ways to customize it. For a brighter, more zesty flavor, try swapping some of the rice vinegar for fresh lime juice. If you enjoy a little heat, a pinch of red pepper flakes or a dash of sriracha will add a fantastic spicy kick. You can also play with different types of peanut butter, like crunchy for added texture. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy creating your perfect dressing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.